If your front load dryer is not heating, let me show you how to fix it. We want to set the time to 30 minutes, use one of these specific times instead of the sensing, turn it on for 10 seconds, and then that'll let it get hot. Then you can turn it off and open the door. Next, we're going to check right here. Stick your hand near it, do not touch it. It should be warm. If it's not warm, then your either heating element or thermal fuse are bad. 6 screws later, and you'll have the back off. You've got 2 right here, and then you've got 1 here and 1 down here. Once you've got the back off, you're looking at your first suspect, who is this thermal fuse. First thing you want to do is set it to continuity. So right here, this will make noise when these touch. Hear that little beeping noise? So what we're going to do is we're going to take it and touch it to the bottom, touch it to the top. I hear a beeping noise. That means this is still good. If this isn't beeping, it needs to be replaced. Before you replace it, you can stick it in the freezer. Then once it's really cold, you can throw it on the ground against something hard like concrete, and it may make a popping sound, and then you can use it to dry your clothes again until you get the part in the mail. With that, all you have to do is unscrew this screw and then pull these out and then put them in the new one, and you'll be good to go. I'll show you a kit in a minute that'll come with everything. If the thermal fuse is not the problem, the next thing will be the heating element, which sounds scary, but actually down here you can do the same thing, but with this you can remove a screw here and remove a screw here, which will allow you to pull it off, and then you'll be able to see the old heating element. And if you look at mine right here, you can see that the wire is broken. So that's why mine isn't working. But I wanted to show you this kit that I got. This kit was 25 bucks, and I got a new heating element, which again, it's 2 screws, and then we just push those blades on and we're good to go. And that's all it takes to change out your heating element. But you also get another thermal fuse and the other thermal fuse, and you can just replace these parts while you're in there. And honestly, if you're not sure, you can order this, and then you'll have the heating element to see if it's that, and you'll have the thermal fuse to see it's that. So no matter what it is, if you order this kit, 25 bucks, your dryer's back running. But yeah, that's about it for now. I just wanted to show you an easy way to get it going again. And just like that, we're back in business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.